Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I have an unboxing for you of this enormous box here and an assembly for you, and then we are going to place this object here in my garden. Now this is a patio set from Rattantree, and I can't wait to see if it looks as good as it did in the pictures. Let's unbox this baby. So if you're new to the channel, you are very welcome, and today's video is about some garden furniture from a company called Rattantree, and this large box contains a complete set of 3 chairs. No. It contains a sofa and 2 chairs, so that means it can seat much more than 3 people, and there's a little coffee table as well. So that's very exciting, and we are going to see what this looks like. Now obviously it's been flat packed, which is a bit scary always, but we're going to see how easy this is to assemble and to put out in the garden. And in we go. That must be the sofa and the cushions and chair pieces. Okay, so here are the instructions which I managed to cut when I was opening the box, but let's get on with it. Okay, so the first thing I did was to tape the instructions together again, and I've done an inventory. Thankfully, all the pieces have letters on them, so you can see what's what. I did think first that the glass tabletop was missing, but it was cunningly protected inside 2 other pieces, so that's great. Everything is here, everything is correct, and one thing I do notice is that, so if you see this piece here, this is B, which according to the inventory is the right arm rest, and there are 3 of them. So 1 each for the 2 chairs and 1 for the sofa. Okay, let's start with one of these chairs. Two types of screws, 2 different bowls. So this is the right armrest, this is the back, and that one's the left armrest. And using the correct screws, what I'm going to do is to attach them. Okay, so I guess we put this over like this. And use my knee to bolster it. I should mention I'm completely out of my comfort zone here, so if I can assemble this, well, anybody can. Now they did mention not to tighten the screws too much to start off with, so I think that's a good start. Okay. I had assembled a whole load of screwdrivers for this job, but they've provided an Allen key, so the screwdrivers won't be necessary. Okay, I've just loosely tightened that screw and washer, And let's do the other side. Okay, that's just loosely assembled there. So the next thing would be to put in the seat like this. And noteworthy is the fact that the screws we've been using up until now are used to attach it in the back here, but the different screws are for attaching it in at the side. So we lie this on its back and we put this in here, and we approach from in here, the side, and that goes through there. And the last one's always a little bit fiddly to get in, just to line it up. And we need an F screw then for the back of the chair. There we go. And now it's a day later. Yesterday I got as far as making these two chairs when the heavens opened and the rain came down, and then the heavens opened with hailstones and I just had to run indoors. So another day, another dollar. Let's get on with the job. Okay, I'm going to start on the couch now, so I'll just clip this apart, and this section here is the glass, which I just want to carefully remove and place over here out of harm's way. And here we have the pieces for the sofa. Okay. Okay, and now for the home run, which is the table, which is going to be easy peasy. And basically we've got 4 pieces that fit together like that. These little plastic bits are for the glass on the top. And we have only one type of screw left, so that's what we're going to use. And just a little note, there weren't enough washers here in the set, but we can find some of our own washers elsewhere, so that's going to be okay. And here we go, the table. Let's get the glass. And here's the glass, wet from last night's hailstones. One final cushion to get. So here's the final cushion. Down we go. Pretty good, huh? I'm really pleased with how this set has turned out from Rattantree garden furniture. Really delighted with it. And just a couple of features to show you. These are the cushions, and you can remove the cover here. There's a zippy bit, and wash the cover. Now it says that the furniture is weather resistant, but the instructions say to not expose it too much to the weather. So I guess, you know, you'll do with that as you will. Yeah, so I'm very pleased to have this as an addition to my garden, and if you are also interested in buying one of these sets, then you can get a 5% discount with the code that I'm putting up on the screen at the moment. and Rattantree garden furniture ships to the UK and to the EU. So just check that out. Link, of course, in the video description. Thank you very much for watching this video on assembling garden furniture. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.